Stella. Hey, baby. Happy Stella. Happy, happy. Happy Stella. Stella. Hey. Happy girl. Stella and her family. Her babies. Her babies are same size as like here now. And happy tails everywhere. Stella. Baby. Stellica. Stellica. Food time. Come on, babies. Let's go to the table. Okay. Enjoy. Lunch time. It's a lunch time with Stella, for Stella and her family. Non-stop work from 6 o'clock in the morning. Lunch time for Stella's family. Stella's family, beautiful dogs are looking for a home. Look at them, how beautiful they are. They will be about from 20 to 30 kilo. Let's say about 25 kilo. Let's say about 25 kilo. They are not big size dogs. They are little bit bigger than medium. They are lovely, beautiful, and they have beautiful character. They remind me of Charlie. If you want to adopt any of them, send us a message, please. Stella's family. 2 of her babies are already adopted. 4 are eating now, and 1 is outside for a walk. 1 is outside for a walk with the volunteers. If you want to adopt any of them, send us a message, please. Thank you. Yeah? You're beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful doggies are looking for a home. Stella? Hey, baby. You're happy, yeah? You're happy. You're happy. She's a happy girl. And safe, very important. Beautiful dogs are looking for a home. Beautiful. Such a lovely character they have. If you want to adopt any of them, please send us a message.